Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this red light therapy belt. So this is kind of a newer technology. On top we have this USB plug-in and then a regular plug-in and then a remote. Also has cool little measuring thing here. It's got centimeters and inches on there. That's pretty neat. And that goes out to 40 inches. That's pretty cool. And this retracts right back in there for measuring. That's nice. And a little instruction manual. And we have the belt right here. So like I was saying, the infrared light, this was discovered by NASA. I was kind of reading up on a little bit. And they were using it to help grow plants a little faster in space, as well as like help the astronauts heal a little quicker. So this is basically a low frequency lighting that's supposed to penetrate into the skin, stimulate kind of health benefits as far as like regrowth and things like that. I guess it hasn't been extensively studied as far as placebo tests and blind studies and all that to make sure like, hey, this is actually beneficial. But a lot of people tout that it has some positive results, as far as even going so far as some say that it regrows like hair, stimulating the hair follicles, stretch marks, a bunch of different things. They say it's useful for, like help like repair your body, help it basically get the natural processes working so it works better. So that's what a lot of people say about it. So anyways, I'm gonna hook this up real quick and check that out. All right, so this just plugs right in here. And you can use this this one also if you have a battery pack, a 5-volt battery pack. You just put that in there and carry it around. Or you have this, which the cord is basically long enough so you could put it, sit on the couch and use it. So if you have a bad knee or something like that, this can just be wrapped around there. I'm going to turn on the light here real quick. And it has a power button and then the different levels, level 1 through 4 on the light emission there. Okay, so this is big enough if you want to just wrap it around your whole waist, you can do that. But for smaller areas, like if I want to put it around my leg, just fold this portion back and you just want to make sure that all the light is going around all the way. So they're right there, so you're not blocking the light. And that's just going to go around. And then your Velcro just attaches right there. So super nice there. You can kind of feel it's not like a heating pad, it's more like, I feel a little bit of heat. I have it on level 4 right there. So you are feeling some warmth, but not like direct heat like a heating pad. So this light is just supposed to kind of penetrate in there and help stimulate your body to like heal itself basically. So kind of an interesting technology, and I guess it's some people swear by it and others say there's another, the verdict's still out on it. So I did kind of want to use it on my elbow right here. I've been having some pain on there. I like bumped it and it just feels like a really deep bruise, but it's been a few months now. Any of my like tendons going through there, kind of painful lately. So I want to give this a shot on there and see how it works. But interesting, I mean, technology here. If it is beneficial, that would be really cool. But kind of handy. It's long enough. It's not like feeling sweaty or anything. This is like a kind of a neoprene type material here. And as you can see, it's clearly it'd be big enough if you wanted to wrap around. I think the intention is not to have it not to put it over clothes, but just have this directly on your skin here like that, and then no waves. I don't think this is supposed to be, not necessarily looking at it. Anyways, it seems pretty cool. I mean, I can feel a little bit of heat coming out of here, but it's not like hot, like an actual heating pad. So pretty cool. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, my friends. I hope it's helpful, and have a great day. I'll see you next time.